Hi, I lowered the tempo of the song for you to be able to meet up with the Solfa notes. Okay, let's proceed. Mi fa mi re do mi re mi do re fa mi fa mi re do re do mi fa sol fa mi la do mi do re fa re re mi fa mi re do re do mi fa mi re la do re la son fa mi fa mi re do sol la mi sol re do mi do re sol la mi fa mi re do mi do sol la fa sol re mi fa mi re mi re mi o fa mi re do sol la re mi do re la do mi do sol la mi o mi fa mi re do sol la do ti la re ti do la ti la mi o mi fa mi re do. So that's the end of the first part of the song. The second part starts from here. Mi fa mi re do mi do re fa mi fa mi re do mi fa sol fa mi la do mi do re do ti la mi o mi fa mi re do mi fa mi re do mi do re la sol re fa mi fa mi re do You can repeat the first section from the second part to master the full progression. If you would like me to teach the remaining parts of the song, kindly leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe for more music lessons. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.